Hi there, and welcome to this week's Numeracy challenge. Here are your first two questions. Moving on to the next question, so pause if you need more time. And the next question. Now, this is a new challenge for some of you. It's called 24. Your challenge is to use these four numbers here and create the number 24. So I've done an example here because it's the first time we've done this. Some of you may have done it with the Count on Us challenge with Mrs. Bradley a couple of years ago. So I can only use each digit once, but I must use it. I can't leave some digits and not use them. So I've listed out the four digits I've got to use. If it's underlined, that means it's a 6. This one over here is a 9, and you do these four numbers, and then this is a separate one, and this is a separate one. Okay, so I've done the first one for you. So 8 subtract 2 gives us 6. 6 subtract 2 gives us 4. 6 multiplied by 4 gives us 24. So I've used all four digits exactly once, and I've got the answer of 24. So you need to try again for silver, try again for gold. Good luck. I'm going to now go through the answers. First two questions. Okay, so if Martin has given 1/8 to his sister, that's 1/8 of £240, so £30. So he now has left £210. Of that £210, he's going to give 1/5 to his brother. So he's going to give £42 to his brother. So therefore, he has left the original 240, subtract the 30 that he gave to his sister, subtract the 42 that he gave to his brother, 168 left. Second part of that first question. Okay, so I've drawn a number line to help you. So to get from 9:23 to 1:06, 9:23 to 10 is 37 minutes. And then from 10 o'clock all the way to 1 o'clock is 3 hours, or 180 minutes. And then from 1 to 1:06 is our final 6 minutes. Okay, so I've got 37, 180, and 6. Add them together, 223 minutes. Okay, so we're looking at the area of these two rectangles, but we've got this tricky little overlap here. So the large rectangle first, I need to add this 5 centimeters here to our 13. I know this is 5 because this overall length is 12. This one is 7, so the difference is 5. 5 plus 13 gives me 18. 18 multiplied by 20 gives me 360 centimeters squared. Second part of the question, a bit trickier. So now I've got my 360 from my large rectangle. My smaller rectangle is my 12 multiplied by 9. That gives me 108. But I've got to subtract. Look, I've got this overlap here. So I've double counted this. I need to get rid of this. So I need to remove 5 lots of 4, or 20 centimeters squared here, because I've counted this twice. Counted it with both the big rectangle and the small one. So when I subtract that 20, that gives me 448 centimeters squared. Now back to that 24 challenge. Are we ready? So I should have said there are multiple solutions to some of these. So I've given you one example, but if you've come up with a different solution, that's absolutely fine, as long as you've used all four numbers and you have an answer of 24. So these are a couple of examples of ways you can get the solution. So firstly, if I'm looking, I won't go back over the red one, the bronze one. Let's look at silver. So we have the numbers 7, 6, 2, and 2. Okay, so it's helpful just to make sure. So I've got 7 plus 2 equals 9. So I'm just going to tick these off to make sure I've not missed any. And then I've got that 9, I'm going to multiply it by 2. So I've used that 2 there. That gives me 18. Finally, 18 plus 6. Yep, I've used that. Tick that off. Gives me 24. Perfect. I've used all four digits only once, and I've got the answer of 24. Let's try again. Gold is a little bit trickier. So I've got 8 multiplied by 9. So here's my 8. Here's my 9. That gives me 72. I'm then going to divide it by 6. 72 divided by 6 gives me 12. Final step, 12 multiplied by 2, there's my 2, gives me 24. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that new challenge. I'm going to be mixing it up over the coming weeks. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.